Hi, welcome to our channel of IGNOU Audiobooks. Indira Gandhi National Open University, School of Continuing Education, Certificate Programs, Certificate in Apparel Merchandising, CAPMER, BHC05 Basics of Apparel Industry and Entrepreneurship, Block 4, Unit-19, Browsing and Discussion Forum. 19.0, Introduction. In today's world, you repeatedly hear the terms internet, going online, surfing the net, browsing and searching. If you want any information on any topic, you say you can look up online, or search the net. People all over the world, from all walks of life use the internet. They look for availability of movie tickets, local restaurants in an area, jobs availability, research papers on varied topics in areas touching any aspect of life, etc. on the internet. Since internet has become so important, its use is considered an essential aspect of computer use. In other words, mastering the internet is one of the first things to do to get the most from the computing experience. 19.1 Objectives. After going through this unit, you will be able to learn how to use the web browser, learn how to search the information on the web, learn different ways to communicate, interact and collaborate on the web, and learn how internet can be used to create different online communities. 19.2 Browsing the web. Browsing the web is similar to surfing the channels on TV. On TV, you continually change channels until you find a program of your interest. This is known as channel surfing. Similarly, on the web you select a link by clicking on the word or picture to open a new document or picture. Progressively clicking through the web by triggering the links that interests you is known as browsing, a term synonymous with surfing the net. 19.2.1 The browser. A web browser is a software application you use to surf the web. It is a program designed to find the hypertext documents on the web and then open those documents on your computers. Microsoft Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox and Google Chrome are the popular web browsers of current times. We will consider Google Chrome for our study. 19.2.2 Launching the browser. Click on the Start menu button. Choose All Programs option. Click on Google Chrome option. Note, before you launch the browser, please ensure that your computer is connected to the internet. The browser window opens as shown in the figure 6.1. The page that opens when you launch the browser depends on your browser settings. The browser can be customized as follows. 1. Click the wrench icon on the browser toolbar. 2. Select options from the pull-down menu. 3. Set the startup and homepage sections. Figure 19.1 Google Chrome web browser. 19.2.3 Enter URLs in address field. Every place on the web has a global address known as a Uniform Resource Locator, URL. A URL uniquely identifies the website or its associated pages. 1. Click once in the address field to position your cursor there. In case there is an address already there, delete it. 2. Type www.mapsofindia.com and press enter. 3. The website will open. 19.2.4 Create new tab. 1. Click on New Tab button on the top of the browser. 2. Type www.ignou.ac.in in the address field, and press enter. 3. The IGNOU website opens. You can navigate between the two tabs that you have opened. 19.2.5 Bookmark web page. You can bookmark your favorite or most frequently visited pages. This allows you to go directly to those pages from the bookmarks list, rather than type the URL. If you have too many bookmarks in the list, you may organize them in folders and subfolders for easy access. A single click on the star adds the page to the bookmarks list and the star changes to yellow color. If you click the star again, the bookmark is removed. In the IGNOU tab. 1. Click on the star at the end of the address line to bookmark the page. 2. Star color changes to yellow. A small bookmark window opens. 3. Leave the bookmark name as is. 4. Click on the drop-down button for folder and choose another folder. 5. In the pop-up window, click on Create New Folder and give the new folder any name. 6. Click OK button. The page bookmark is stored in the new folder that you created. To see how your bookmarks have been organized: 1. Click the wrench icon on the browser toolbar. 2. Choose Bookmark Manager. 3. A Bookmark Manager tab opens and displays all the bookmark folders/subfolders and pages. 19.2.6 Remove bookmark. In the Ignore tab: 1. Click on the yellow star at the end of the address line to bookmark the page. 2. A small bookmark window opens. 3. Click on the Remove hyperlink on the right side of the window. 4. The star color changes to white and the bookmark is removed. Bookmarks can also be deleted through the Bookmark Manager. 19.2.7 Navigation buttons. At the top left of the browser you should see a row of navigation buttons, back and forward buttons. The back button takes you to previously opened web page. Conversely, the forward button moves you ahead to the page you visited before you clicked the back button. When you right-click on the back or forward buttons, a list pops up that shows the whole path you followed. 19.2.8 History list. The browser creates a history list of the web pages visited earlier. 1. Click the wrench icon on the browser toolbar. 2. Choose History from the menu. 3. A History tab opens which lists all the previously visited pages. 19.2.9 Downloading files. Downloading means to copy files from the internet to your machine. You can download any type of file: text, PDF, X, spreadsheet, audio, video or image file from the internet as long as either it is a freeware or you have paid for it. Any file or image on the internet is copyrighted if it not freeware, and it is illegal to use the material for commercial purposes without getting permission from the copyright owner. Images. You can copy an image by using the right mouse click on the image and selecting the Save Image as option. You can also click the download button to download the pictures as on the website www.free-clipartpictures.com. Audio, video and other files. Normally, you have to click on the download button to copy the file on your computer. When the browser displays Save or Save As dialog box, choose where you want to save the file. 19.3 Searching the web. Search engines are tools that help you find specific information and websites on the internet. There are many search engines available, but we will consider Google's search engine for our reference. 19.3.1 Basic search. 1. Go to www.google.co.in. The site opens as shown in Figure 6.2. You may change the language and see how all the labels change. We will use English for our purposes. 2. You can also change your search preferences through the link search setting. 3. Type whatever you want to search for in the search box and hit enter or click Google search button. All the words that you have typed will be used for the search. For example, type printer. 4. A list of all the web pages that have printer in it will be displayed with links to their websites. 5. Also, it gives the number of results below the search box. 6. The more words you use for your search, the more restrictive it becomes. For an example of you use color printer, it gives less number of results. And if you use color inkjet printer, it gives still lesser number of results. 7. You may also check that the search is case insensitive. Figure 19.2 Google India search engine. Look at the screen for table content. 19.3.2 Advanced basic search. 1. Phrase search. By putting double quotes around a set of words, you are telling Google to consider the exact words in that exact order without any change. For example, search for Mohandas K. Gandhi and for Mohandas K. Gandhi. See the difference in number if results. 2. Search within a specific website, site. Google allows you to specify that your search results must come from a specific website. Search on Gurgaon site. Times of India will return pages on Gurgaon but only from timesofindia.com. 3. Term to exclude, dash. Attaching a minus sign immediately before a word indicates that you do not want pages that contain this word to appear in your results. The minus sign should appear immediately before the word and should be preceded with a space. Example, search on color printer. Inkjet lists all color printers that are not inkjet. 4. Fill in the blanks. The is a wildcard character. For example, if you search on Google, it will give you results about many of Google's products. 5. Search as is, plus. By adding plus immediately before the word, you tell the search engine to match that word as is, and not to look for its synonym in the search. 6. The or operator, used to search for either of several words, instead of all the words. 19.3.3 Advanced Search. With Advanced Search, you can search for pages that contain all the search terms you type in, contain the exact phrase you type in, contain at least one of the words you type in, do not contain any of the words you type in, is written in a certain language, is created in a certain file format, was updated within a certain period of time, contain numbers within a certain range, within a certain domain or website, don't contain adult material. 19.4 Discussion forums and groups. Discussion forums are online communities of people with similar interests. Members of a forum can communicate, discuss, share and comment on an idea through messages. There are many forums available on the net, each dedicated to a specific subject, like karate, travel, gardening, cooking, vintage cars, Photoshop, aviation, laser eye surgery, etc. Anyone can register on the forum website and become a member of the forum. Registering gives you the opportunity to contribute your ideas and share your views with other members. Some examples of discussion forum websites are karateforums.com, photoshopforums.com and discussions.hardwarecentral.com. Each discussion forum has a group of community users who are knowledgeable about the subject matter. These users are called moderators, who are responsible for the quality and effectiveness of the discussions. They keep the discussions fresh and clean by starting new topics and removing inappropriate content. Any new topic in the forum is called a thread, and all the messages associated with a thread are called posts. Discussion groups like Google Groups or Yahoo Groups are based on the concept of mailing list. You create and see the threads using email, and only people who are subscribed to that group are able to see the threads, emails. Unlike discussion forum, a discussion group does not need any additional hardware or software for its setup. We will study setting up and using a discussion group in detail, taking Yahoo Groups as our example. Figure 19.3 Yahoo Groups main page. Look at the screen for table content. 19.4.1 Creating a Yahoo group. 1. Go to http://in.groups.yahoo.com/ You get the screen as above. 2. Click on the link Start Your Group. If you already have a Yahoo, then log in using that, else click on the Create New Account button. Enter all the details asked for and a new Yahoo ID will be created for you. 3. Select the category for the group you want to create. For this you need to be sure of the purpose of your group. Since we will be creating a community of BCA students, we select schools and education and then classmates on the next page. 4. Click on Place My Group here on the next page. 5. We will give the name and email address for our group on the next page. Since this group is for all BCA students at Center A, we will name it as BCA Center A for our purpose. We will give BCA Center A for the email address too. You may give any name and address as per your requirements. Click Continue button to go to the next screen. Figure 19.4 Setting up the group. 6. Once the group is created, you see the following details on the screen. Group name, BCA Center A. Group homepage, http://in.groups.yahoo.com/group/BCA Center A. Group email, bcacenter@yahoogroups.co.in. 7. Now you can customize your group and define who all can join the group or post messages, whether or not messages are archived, whether or not to list your group in Yahoo Groups directory, or whether an approval is required to join the group, etc. You can also invite your friends and other people to join the group. The creator of the group becomes the moderator by default. The moderator could define on how the group should be used, add or remove people from the group, etc. 19.4.2 Joining a Yahoo group. There are two ways that you can join a group. 1. Search for the group in Yahoo Groups. Log in using your ID and then send a request to join the group. Once your request is approved by the moderator, you become the member. 2. The second way is that you receive the invite to join the group and then you join the group. 19.4.3 Posting a message. Once you are a member of a group, you can log into the group and post a message. All the members of the group will receive an email about your post and anybody can reply to that post. Figure 19.5 View of message posts. You can reply to a post by one of the following two ways. Reply to the email received. Post a reply to the original message in the group interface. 19.5 Wiki. A wiki is a website that has a collection of web pages which can be easily created, viewed and modified by anybody using a web browser over the internet. It encourages communication, sharing and collaboration on documents across internet. Wikis can be used for a large variety of tasks, from personal note-taking to collaborating online, creating corporate intranets, knowledge management systems, online community, and managing a traditional website. A wiki website can be created using Wiki engine or wiki software on a web server. The wiki software stores the content including all the current and previous revisions in either data files, database system, or in flat files. There are many wiki software available. Some like Confluence and Drupal wiki are paid while other like TiddlyWiki and Twiki are free of charge. The main features of wiki are simplified creating and editing of web pages. Documents can be written and worked upon by all in collaborative manner. Pages are stored at a central shared location and document histories are recorded. Simplified formatting, use of simple markup and easy creation of links. Organized websites. 19.5.1 Creating the wiki. To learn create wiki pages, we can use existing hosted wiki software and start adding to it. We will use wiki spaces for our purpose. 1. Go to www.wikispaces.com. 2. Click on Wikis for individuals and groups. 3. Create login on the next page by providing username, password and email and click on Join Now button. Figure 19.6 Joining the Wiki Spaces. Look at the screen for table content. 4. You come to the dashboard. Click on Create a new wiki. 5. Give the wiki name, set the permissions and type. Click on Create button on the next screen. 6. You can close the Getting Started help screen after reading it. The page that you see is your first wiki page. 7. Click Edit to make changes to this page. Figure 19.7 Editing the wiki page. 8. After making changes, click Save button. You may preview the page before saving it. 9. Since you have created this wiki space, you are its owner. You may invite other people to contribute to this wiki. 10. Click on Manage Wiki in the left-hand side menu. Choose Invite People. Once the invited people join the wiki, they can add to the content of the wiki. You can also see recent changes to the wiki or the page. Any numbers of people can share notes and ideas through wiki. They all can contribute towards building the wiki content. 19.5.2 Wikipedia. Wikipedia is a free encyclopedia in many languages that anyone can edit. It is a great example of a large wiki and is run on MediaWiki wiki engine. Wikipedia is written collaboratively by largely anonymous internet volunteers who write without pay. Anyone with internet access can write and make changes to Wikipedia articles, except in certain cases where editing is restricted to prevent disruption or vandalism. Users can contribute anonymously, under a pseudonym, or with their real identity, if they choose. Over the last few years, Wikipedia has become one of the largest reference websites worldwide, attracting several million users each month. To understand how Wikipedia is written and how one can make changes to it, do the following. 1. Go to www.wikipedia.org. 2. Click in Login/Create Account on top right corner. Create your account. You reach the Wikipedia introduction page. Figure 19.8 Wikipedia Introduction. 3. Explore the different tabs. When you go to the tutorial page, you will get a new set of tabs. Click on Editing tab, and then try editing in the sandbox. You get the screen as in Figure 19.9. Figure 19.9 Editing in Wikipedia Sandbox. 4. Click on Edit and start making changes to the page. Save your changes. This will give you a fair idea about how you can edit wiki content. 19.6 Google Docs. Google Doc is a free web-based word processor, spreadsheet, presentation, form etc. along with online data storage solution from Google. To use this, one does not need to buy any specific Office suite of products, XMS Office etc. This is Google's software as a service, SaaS, version of the Office suite. Since Google Docs is web-based, you can access it from anywhere through the internet. You need not worry about copying it to transfer it somewhere else, or about its latest version, and you can easily share it with anybody for real-time collaboration. 19.6.1 Using Google Docs. 1. Go to the URL, website, http://docs.google.com. You will get a screen like the one below. Figure 19.10 Google Docs login page. Look at the screen for table content. 2. You can use an existing account, Gmail, Yahoo, to log in on the right-hand side of the above screen. If you don't have an existing account, you can easily create one using your last name, first name, preferred username, if available, etc. Once you log in, you get the screen as in figure 19.11. 3. On the left-hand side of the window, if you click on button Create New, you would see the drop-down options, Document, Presentation, Spreadsheet etc. as shown figure 19.11. 4. Select Document option from the drop-down. Type some text here. You may format it as any Word document. Figure 19.11 Google Docs home page. 5. Click Save button on top right corner. When you save the file, it will ask you to enter the document name. Notice that there is a Share button also. This can be used to share the document. We will discuss about sharing a little later. 6. Give the file name as test document for IGNOU BCA student, and by default this document is saved on the Google server. 7. You can also download this document locally on the computer in various formats such as DOC, PDF, RTF etc. By default, the document is saved in the folder C:\documents and settings /del/my documents /downloads on your computer. 8. You may also upload an existing document from your machine using the upload button. Similarly, you can work on other types of docs such as spreadsheet, presentation etc. 19.6.2 Sharing the document. In Google Docs, to share a document means to give someone else access to that document. This can be done in two ways. Email the document as an attachment. Invite others to read or edit the document online. Figure 19.12 List of documents in Google Docs. 1. Bring your cursor on a document name in the list. The word action appears on the right side. When you click on that drop-down arrow, a menu appears with Share as an option. 2. Choose Share. Another submenu opens up. Email as an attachment emails the document. 3. Click on Email Editors/Viewers. This option is used to invite people to either view the document or to collaborate, view and edit on the document. The people you have invited must have Google Docs account to view the document. 4. A shared document is marked as shared in the list on the main page. 19.8 Summary. World Wide Web is one of the most used services of the Internet. You can search the Internet for any kind of information. You can create communities of people with similar interests to interact with each other. There are tools like Wiki and Google Docs available to create, share, contribute and collaborate on content online. Internet has made it easier for physically distant people to connect with each other and work together. It has brought people closer. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video with the next chapter.